Meaning of malaise.
Malaise. Malaise.
Noun. Definitions. 1. A feeling of general discomfort, unease, or illness, often without a clear cause or identification of a specific symptom. 2. A vague or unfocused feeling of mental or emotional discomfort, often characterized by a lack of energy or enthusiasm. 3. A feeling of discontent or dissatisfaction, often accompanied by a sense of frustration or disillusionment. Examples. 1. After a few days, she began to feel a general malaise that she couldn't shake. 2. The team's malaise was evident in their lackluster performance on the field. 3. The country was plagued by economic malaise with high unemployment and stagnation.
Malaise. Malaise.